do you think YouTube actually paid me for 30k views on shorts? If I tell you, you might be surprised. Like I said in my video, if you know that your long form is not working for you, you can try doing short, and at the end of the day you start making something for yourself rather than not making anything and you're monetized. So in today's video, I'll be sharing you how much YouTube paid me on 30k views on short, and I want you to tell me in the comments if it's worth it or not. If this is what you want to be saying often, I remain your number one coach, Vibe with Deborah. I always give you tip on how to grow your YouTube channel from 0 to 100. So click on the subscribe button to get notification when I drop my video. Recently now, you'll be seeing me mostly on shorts because my long form is doing somehow, but the truth is that I know about it because most of my subscribers are coming from shorts, and it's going to take time that I'll start getting more visibility on my YouTube long form. But I want to use all the tools: the YouTube long form, the short, the post, going live. I want to utilize everything. Yes, so if you're like me, do your short, do your long form. Anyone that picks is fine for you, but your aim is to start making money on your YouTube and start helping people to also start making money. So without being more said, let's go to my studio. Let me show you how much I made from 30k views. Welcome to my YouTube studio. As I yesterday, it was 30k views, and now it is 32 counting. So, and I've gotten 17 subscribers from this. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I love you guys so much. So now let's go to the reach, how this video was found, how viewers found this video. YouTube feed 96%, YouTube search 2.8, channel pages 0.3, other YouTube features and like that. So from YouTube field, they saw my video, they engaged it and all that. So that is what it is. External site or app, no enough traffic here to show. Content suggesting this short, we are stuck in hurricane. That is it, that is engaging on this stuff. Then the engagement. So now one thing about YouTube shorts will pay you on engaged views, will not pay you on the total view you have gotten. Before, they pay on the total views you have gotten, but now they are paying on the engaged view. So those that watch your short and they engaged, maybe your short was 14 seconds and people watched till 6 or 7 seconds, maybe they like or whatever, they would say these are the engaged. So this engaged view is what YouTube is going to pay me. So from this 15k, let's see how much YouTube is going to pay me for that. So how viewers engaged: 72 stayed to watch. I'm so grateful, thank you. 27 swiped away. Please do 27, please, oh, don't do that, come back and every other thing. So now let's look at the audience. So unique viewers 14k. They watch and watch and watch. Thank you so much. So they said audience by behavior, no enough data and also. So the viewers also watch others of my content, my short videos. So when they watched that one, they watched other ones, so they engaged in about 6 of my videos, even 10 more. So it's even plenty. Wow, that's very good. So so now let's see the device: mobile, tablet, TV, computer. Mobile 45%, tablet 30%, TV 16%, computer 7%. Let's look at the age. So we have 13, 17, 18, 25 down. So every age group watch my video. Wow, thank you so much. I love it, I love it so much. Thank you so much. Gender, mostly the female watching my video. The male at 24, the female 75. Thank you so much. Then this one is the most cocoa. Where are people watching you? Is it your Niger people? Is it African people? Is it from United States or United Kingdom? So people that watch this video: United States 39%, United Kingdom 10%, Philippines 5%. I'm so grateful for that. I'm so grateful for that. So thank you so much. And one thing I will say, that geographic is very important. The location where people are watching you, especially if it is United Kingdom, if it is United States, if it's Canada, your RPM will be high because they will pay you more compared to African countries. So when you have views in enough views and it's mostly African countries that watch your video, most times you will not get enough amount from that video. But if you have people from United States, United Kingdom, Canada watch your video, like 50%, 30%, 40% watch your video across those 3 locations, your amount that YouTube is going to pay is going to be very, very powerful. So now roll it. So let's get to the main reason why you clicked on my video. So let's see the amount YouTube paid. So how you make money from the YouTube ads, 97.9%, YouTube Premium 2.1%. So I made $4.04 the estimated. So 1K view is 0.27. So from this 15K I have made $4.04. So is it worth it? From that 15K from short I made $4. So the beauty of it that you can have like 10 videos of shorts, and at the end of the day you can make $40 that day, or you can make $30 that day, or you can make, it depends, you can even make more. I have one person that is making, that person is making close to $20 or $30 every single day, or even more. It depends, and person is having views. So imagine somebody is making $20 or $30 or $20 every day, or $30 every day, times 30, you can imagine on short. So don't sleep on short, but you see the long form, it is magical, and the live, if you have visibility you will make times 100 of this. But why not do this when you don't have that opportunity yet, and start trying, or keep doing it? So that's my advice I will just tell you. So see you in my next video. Bye.